Alright, welcome guys. I just wanted to give a quick tour of my Veto Pro Pac TP4. If you guys don't know about these, anyone in the trades, these things are the balls. These things hold a lot. I can still fit more in this thing, but I'm an HVAC refrigeration tech. I do mainly commercial refrigeration. So these are what I use for a basic service call. Figure I'll just give you a quick tour. Front pouch here. Plenty of stuff. I just keep a broken Allen wrench for fans. Couple sockets. More Allen wrenches. It's a bunch of sockets, some service caps. A couple more Allen wrenches for fan motors. The ones for the blower motors and the heat crafts and whatever for those blades and whatnot. Front to keep 6-inch adjustable. The Milwaukee 11-in-1. This thing is pretty sweet. Little stubby 6-in-1 from Klein. Just picked this up. This is excellent. Red paint pen. I like marking things in red. Service wrench. Just picked this up too. New Klein 4-in-1 thermostat screwdriver. That's the number on it. These things are great. Sharpie, another T-stat screwdriver with a core remover from United Refrigeration. These two dealies I just picked up. These take off the lock nuts on electrical terminals, like if you're changing a pressure control or whatever, you got the conduit hooked to it. Not too bad. Home Depot had those. Another service wrench. It's the only thing I don't like about this. It falls over too easy. But they're fixing that with the new TP4 coming out in the fall. I guess it's got a plastic base so these things can stand better. Milwaukee Inksol. Basic Husky Phillips flathead. Got my wrenches on a carabiner here. Some ratchet wrenches. 7/16 and half. I got two 7/16, one with a wobble head here. The other side I got some more. Keep my electric tape. Another one with the 9/16 ratchet wrench. And just another combo box wrench, half and 9/16. 3/8, 5/16 nut drivers. Learned this from an old-time electrician back in the day. Wrap them with electric tape if you're in the panel. It's getting kind of beat up, but helps you from shorting out on things. It's an old Beta screwdriver, old Craftsman. Husky ratchet, 3/8 on one side, 1/4 inch on the other. Just got this, it's pretty sweet. It also extends too, if you want it, need it longer. So that's pretty neat. Non-contact voltage tester. There's a little light that clips on your hat, this little Pelican light. Kind of saves you in a bind. Flip it up and it comes on. This thing's actually pretty bright, especially in dark places at night or whatnot, doing a call. 1/4 inch nut driver. The Nipex channel locks. These things are the balls. You got the 10-inch pair. And I got the 6-inch pair. Pair of Husky dikes. Another Crescent adjustable, the 10-inch. It's got these two, the South Wire crimpers. Awesome crimpers for stake-ons and whatnot. And the 11/32 for those nuts on the fan motors and the evap coils. But these things got a lot of storage. They can hold a lot more. I got the shoulder strap for it. So, works out pretty good. I also have an MB2 bag over here. I mean an MB, not the MB2. I'll do a review of that if you guys are interested. And I also got the Tech MCT here, which is pretty sweet. You can do another review of that, but these Vetos are pretty sick, guys. I mean, you can see how much it holds. And here's a tour of the truck real quick. Get that, I try to keep my truck neat because I can't stand walking in a truck and not being able to move in it. Can't be a slob. So, anyways, if you guys are interested and want to see any more, I'm trying to get into this YouTube thing. I'm going to do a lot of service call videos and whatnot, like I've seen some other guys do, and a lot of refrigeration stuff, because that's mainly what I do. So if you guys are interested, like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.